Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to change your Facebook name. If you want to update your name on Facebook because of a name change or simply want to use a different name, you can change it through your account settings. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into the account where you want to change the name. Tap the menu icon. Depending on your phone, you may see your profile picture or 3 horizontal lines. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Look for Accounts Center and tap on it. In Accounts Center, tap Profiles. If you have more than one account connected, select your Facebook profile. Next, tap Name. You will now see the name currently displayed on your Facebook profile. Tap on the name field that you want to change. Enter your new first name, middle name if applicable, or last name. Before continuing, make sure the spelling is correct. When you are satisfied with your new name, tap Review Change. Facebook may show you how your new name will appear on your profile. Choose the name format you prefer. You may then be asked to enter your Facebook password to confirm the change. Enter your password and tap Save Changes. Your name change will then be submitted or applied to your Facebook account. Keep in mind that Facebook may have rules about the types of names you can use. You may also be limited in how often you can change your Facebook name. Because of this, make sure your new name is correct before confirming the change. If Facebook asks you to verify your name, follow the instructions shown on the screen. The exact names and locations of these settings may be slightly different depending on your Facebook app version. If you cannot find the name settings, open Settings and use the search option to look for Name or Accounts Center. And that's it. You now know how to change your Facebook name using your phone. Happy watching, and don't forget to subscribe.